Okay, let's do this again.
Screw you guys.
Oh my god.
I got this, I got this, I got this.
I don't.
Ah, fuck! No!
Sucks to be you. I'm out of here.
Just stay
shit.
there.
Down.
But yeah, down basically gives you your last weapon and gadget that you used.
Can I... How do I get it back?
Hold the left analog stick and like press L1 or R1 and it'll swap you from weapons to gadgets.
Oh my god. Yay! Hold my left analog stick.
You don't hold the left analog stick down, you just move it in a direction and then you press L1 or R1.
Yeah.
This is so confusing with all three of us.
Especially when you can't move because someone's behind or whatever.
Wow. Oh! You both got lucky there.
Oh, it's the right analog stick.
Yeah. The left one moves you.
Yeah. Well, Sam said left.
Yeah, I know.
Did I?
Yeah.
Oh, sorry. I meant right.
Yeah.
Oh, damn, that was a big swing.
Whoopsie
Oh. Oh.
Where am I?
Let go, James. Let go.
What the?
I can't get over to him. Yeah.
I'm dead.
Yeah, I got the no.
That's bullshit.
I finally latched onto it and I died.
That was stupid.
By the way, you see that?
No, I'm
lost.
blind.
I'm fairly sure you know what's going to happen next. Fuck.
How did you survive that, Sam?
Because I is the beast, bruv.
Who the hell is Susie?
The little girl that got kidnapped earlier.
A girl kidnapped?
You don't watch the cutscenes, do you?
No.
Did not think so. Okay, right, you see these tentacles that pop up?
Uh-huh.
Well, when they come from the ground, we have to destroy them, and then we can attack him directly.
Okay.
You have to wait until they pop up through the ground, though. So that I can pretty much get them all with there. Right,
Yeah,
aim at him, aim at him, aim at him. Okay, stop shooting, stop shooting. You can only damage him so much before you have to wait and get the tentacles again. Okay, stop.
Right now.
Might as well just let
see
you
it?
do all the tentacles.
Yeah, pretty much.
Yeah, ninja.
I one-shot him. I think James just died.
I think so too. Oh, trophy. Anyone for sushi?
Yeah, that's for killing him.
Oh, it's amazing.
That's Susie, by the way.
Ah.
Hi, Susie.
She got kidnapped.
going?
Hey?
I didn't know she got kidnapped.
Yeah, by the Gravoid. Right, come on, guys. Right, we're at the end of the level now. And you say you didn't get the trophy for destroying 85% of the crates?
Mm-mm.
You have to do it in one life, because this is the end now. Right, equip your globby.
Right, after I get my bolts.
Stun press. We just had to knock the bridge down. Bolts. And we are done.
Easy.
Easy.
Well, I'm gonna take that noob rank again.
Why not say lemon?
How many levels are there?
It depends by what you mean levels.
Well, you killed every enemy.
Really?
Me and Chris both had 0.
What the fuck?
You had 40.
Well, yeah,
I
it
don't get
depends.
anything.
It depends what you mean by levels. Like, overall, like if you count each individual level and area, then there's probably around 30. If you just count like each world with each area in them, then there's only like 7 or 8.
Fair enough.
Right, with this cutscene being on, I'm going to go toilet. So, BRB.
Yeah, me too.
Alright.
You're back.
Yep.
We call it Ephemeris, the creature collector. Oh, it's been around for over 100 years, snatching the universe's most dangerous beasts and bringing them here to our planet.
Who is in control of the machine?
No one knows. But that tyrant you saw in our village was its emissary, Commander Spock. He has been protecting Ephemeris for years. But now that you're here...
Whoa, look. I'm just trying to find my way home.
But you're Ratchet. You saved the whole universe. You're not supposed to... I sneezed in my mask.
Listen, kid, I'd love to help you and your dad, but my pal and I, we're tired. As soon as we're off the planet, we'll notify the Defense Force.
Susie is not my daughter. I'm afraid her parents were lost during the Ephemeris raid on Totem 5. Like many other children here, she is an orphan.
Alright.
Yeah, hello?
Hello.
Hello
Susie,
there.
Hello.
Oh, we timed that perfectly.
That's cool. I just thought you'd want to raise your approval rating by saving a few thousand voters. I guess parades and groupies...
Yeah, by the way, James, you missed it. Your character acting like a coward.
You what?
You missed, yeah, you missed your character acting like a coward.
What did I miss?
Your character acting like a coward.
Yeah.
That sounds like me.
Yeah. By the way, when we actually get control, can we, like, kind of not move while I stop and start the recording again, because it's getting a little long?
Yep.
Okay.
I just don't want this fuck up.